The details now. India and France have elevated their partnership to a new level. The sense was reflected during the summit between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron in Mumbai on Tuesday, where they held wide-ranging talks on issues of mutual and international importance. DD India's Akhilesh Suman reports for more.
Calling France one of India's oldest strategic partners, Prime Minister Modi said the two leaders have injected new depth and energy into the relationship. On Tuesday in Mumbai, after the summit, both leaders said that partnership has been elevated to a special global strategic partnership.
फ्रांस भारत के सबसे पुराने स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनर्स में से एक है और प्रेसिडेंट मैक्रो के साथ मिलकर हमने इस स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप को अभूतपूर्व गहराई और ऊर्जा दी है। इस विश्वास और साझा विजन के आधार पर आज हम अपने संबंधों को स्पेशल ग्लोबल स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप के रूप में स्थापित कर रहे हैं। ये पार्टनरशिप केवल स्ट्रेटेजिक नहीं है। आज के उथल-पुथल से भरे युग में यह ग्लोबल स्टेबिलिटी और ग्लोबल प्रोग्रेस की पार्टनरशिप है।
A major highlight of the summit was the inauguration of the H-125 helicopter assembly line in India. More than 20 agreements were signed covering defense production, innovation, trade, connectivity, and people-to-people ties. The launch of the India-France Year of Innovation aims to transform the strategic partnership into a partnership of the people. New joint innovation centers will be established. Startups and MSMEs will be connected. Both sides announced cooperation in critical minerals, biotechnology, and advanced materials. On the global stage, French President Emmanuel Macron stressed that the India-France partnership is rooted in trust and democratic values.
The bilateral relationship between India and France is truly remarkable and unique. This relationship is one of trust, openness, and ambition. We have also decided today to elevate this partnership to a special strategic partnership, granting it a new status. There is no doubt about that because we have complete faith in this relationship and we have been doing so for the past 8 years.
India will soon open a Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center in France, further strengthening the people-to-people bonds. Akhilesh Suman's report for DD India from Mumbai.